I'm on my way to Chinatown and Temple Street. I'm super excited. We're almost there. It's very pretty.
What's the one?
Pointing at me and like talking. I'm scared. So someone just freaked out at me. I don't know why, but he was whipping this whip thing at me. It was kind of scary. I don't know what I did to him. Maybe I'm not supposed to look at them or something. That's a nice story. Very hot out. This is probably the biggest mall I've ever been to. I'm gonna get a workout today. It's really good. It's a rainy morning. That's okay, we're still gonna have fun. We're finally here. I'm ready to see this show. I can't wait. Hear all the birds. I didn't realize penguins were that big. I'm trying to see that front one. What's underneath it? Is that its stomach? So many. I didn't realize how big they were. There's an albino one, or more white one right there. Let's see what kind of bird. Oh, that's interesting. Has a mohawk. Let's see, it's oh, there's two different ones. Here's some roosters too. Oh. Here comes the rooster. Seems like Asia has a lot of turtles. A mini shark, maybe. Oh. Never mind. The catfish. I want to see one of these. Oh, look, those turtles are fighting. It's biting its friendly shell. These seem to be a little bit lighter than the other ones. Looks fine. Oh, I think it's dumped over. That's cool. The show is starting soon. I can't wait. We got right in the front.
Boys and girls. So, how is everyone feeling today? Good? Well, that is great to hear. My name is Shawal and welcome to the Kings of the Skies falconry display. Falconry is the ancient art of training birds of prey to hunt for men. And in just a few moments, there will be birds making low flights above you. But before all of that can take place, we will need your help. When the birds are flying really low above you, please do not try to reach out and touch them. This is for your safety and for the bird's safety as well. And please remember, do not try to reach out and touch the bird, and also please remain seated and do not move around because you might distract the other audience. All you need to do is just sit back, relax and enjoy the show. So, are we all ready for the show? Yeah. Yes? Alright, and with that, ladies and gentlemen, let us begin. Everyone, keep your eyes right back there. This is the American bald eagle. Thank you. And bald eagles like Susie can be found in Florida and all the way up to Alaska. They are also known as the emblem of the United States of America. Now take a look at her, you can see there are feathers on her head. The reason why they're called bald eagle is because the term bald is actually an older English word for white-head. Hence the name, the bald eagles. And these birds are known to build really huge nests. If you're wondering about the size, take a look at the pond right behind me. It will give you an idea. And the world record for the heaviest nest weighs up to 2 tons. Very impressive indeed. By the way, she's 15 years old this year, and off she goes. American bald eagle. Thank you. Now, the next bird of prey has a unique way of finding food. It is able to smell rotting meat from miles away. I'm talking about turkey vulture, and with that, let's welcome Titan! Ladies and gentlemen, this is a turkey vulture, and they can be found from the tip of Canada all the way to the tip of South America. They are the most numerous vulture species in the world, numbering way over 10 million in the wild. Like I mentioned earlier on, these birds are able to smell out food. They also act as smoke signals. When other vultures see turkey vultures descending, they follow suit. But even though they are the first to reach the carcass, they will have to wait for the larger vultures to tear open the tough skin before they are able to enjoy the tender meat beneath it. Well, he has done a good job. Thank you very much, Titan, our turkey vulture. For centuries, birds of prey have captivated men with their strength, speed, and agility. And one of the most commonly used bird of prey in falconry would be the hawk. And that too, ladies and gentlemen, a Harris hawk. Well, joining us on stage, we have Hawkeye. Thank you very much, man. Harris hawks, like Hawkeye here, can be found in South and Central America. Well, these birds are commonly used in falconry because of their ability to maneuver very well. They are highly intelligent birds, very sociable and easy to train, hence making them a very good choice for falconry. And in a short while, you will get to experience the hunt. But before that, I'm going to release the bird onto the tree. Off you go! You just landed on that tree there. Keep your eyes on the bird. Off she goes. Wow, very early catch indeed. A big round of applause for him, everyone. Once the hawk has caught something, it will be reluctant to let it go. It's extremely possessive over its catch, so the falconer is going to do an exchange to separate the bird from the catch. And once he has done so, he will let fall the bird onto the glove face. There you go, a nice hop there. Well, man, can we see what the hawk has got for us today? A nice big fat juicy rabbit. A big round of applause for Hawkeye, our Harris hawk. You have seen. This is the white-tailed sea eagle. And white-tailed sea eagles can be found throughout coastal regions of Europe. They are one of the top 5 largest eagles in the world. And the main source of diet for these birds consists of fish, but they're also known to go for smaller birds and even mammals as well. Now take a good look at him. You might think he's big, but the females are in fact much larger. The male wingspan is around 1.8 meters, while the females can measure up to 2.4 meters. So you can imagine how big, strong and powerful the girls are. By the way, this is Junior and off he goes! Thank you very much, our white-tailed sea eagle. Very low flight indeed, and very silent too. Now, I'm pretty sure none of you heard it flapping and swinging, am I correct? Yes? Well, that is because owls have very soft edges at the tip of their feathers. So when they flap their wings, there isn't any sound at all. But that is not the only reason, there's another reason too. Right, the owls may now be joined by his friend Soren, the barn owl. Crayfish owls can be found in Southeast Asia, but barn owls are commonly found throughout the world, except for Antarctica. Well, barn owls are very unique because they have hypersensitive hearing. This enables them to hunt in total darkness. Very cool indeed. Well, these two birds are very special to us because they will hatch and raise right here in the park. Lang here is 8 years old. Can you guess how old Soren is?
No.
Yes? 3 years old. I heard 6 over here. Anyone from here? 7. You ma'am, 9?
Oh, that's okay.
5. Alright. Yes, you. 8. Alright. Soren here is a young bird, only 2 years old. That's right, still considered a baby. And you know what? It's time for you to head back inside. Let's say goodbye to Soren. Well, Soren, thank you very much. Look at him go. Very good flight indeed. Now, talking about owls in general, there are more than 200 species of owls that you can count and snatch this off from the surface of the water. So everyone, get your cameras ready, turn your heads and look right back there. Here comes Satria. In goes the snake. Look at him. And perfect snatch. A big round of applause for him. You might be wondering how these birds are able to hold on to such prey. Well, all sea eagles have scaly legs. This prevents injuries caused by their prey, and rough underside enables them to hold on to their struggling and sleepy prey like snakes and fish. There you go. I got my snake back and I can use this for tomorrow. The Satria here is a young bird, only 2 years old, and it takes about 5 to 6 years for the feathers on the head all the way down to his belly to turn white in color. Hence the name, the white-bellied sea eagle. Indian condors can be found in the Andes mountain of Peru. They are the largest and the heaviest bird of prey in the world. Weighing at 15 kilos, they have an amazing wingspan that can measure up to 3.2 meters. Now there you go! Massive wings indeed. By the way, vultures are generally scavengers. They do not hunt for their food. When they do chance upon carcass, they will try to eat as much and as quickly as possible because they do not know when their next meal is going to be. They have a very powerful suction system which enables them to swallow their food extremely fast. By the way, this is George, and it's time for him to head back inside. Thank you very much, our Indian condor.
It's like skipping. And I'm gonna start introducing them one at a time. Now, the 2 smaller grey ones on the carcass, now that is the white-backed vulture. You can only be found in Africa just like hazel. And the big brown vulture, the one right beside me and the one right behind the carcass, now these 2 are the are called brownie kites, and they can be found in Southeast Asia. We are going to watch them make a few more impressive catches. Right. Alright, I'm going to try one last throw, but before this, I'm going to position myself better. Here he comes and... Alright, very good catching, dude. And with that, after having seen